is get this door panel off, and y'all know we will be rewrapping this. I don't know if I'm gonna put this one back on, to be honest, because we will, like I said, we will be, well, not even rewrapping it, just redoing the whole thing. We're not gonna be using the wood in the back. I'm using ABS plastic. I've read like forums and stuff of people posting online saying it's better to use the plastic than try to get some wood, and then the wood get moisture and wet, and then you feel me, they said it's better to use the ABS plastic. So that's what I got. I got it. Alright, got them cords out of the way. Now it's time to drop the window, which should all be 10mm sockets. Should be all 10s. Still a little play in the windows because, like I said, the door card, once they need to go on, once they go on, it'll push the window and the window be straight. But here we go. Like I said, it got play in it, but once it pushes out, the window push out, then what's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video. Welcome back to the Cutlass rebuild. Now y'all know we just finished the passenger side, new window motor and new weather stripping for the passenger door. Now it's time to move on to the driver door. We're finna go ahead and do the weather stripping first, then we're gonna come back and do the window motor. You know what I'm saying? So what time is it? I should have enough time to be able to get both of them finished. You know what I'm saying? So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. It shouldn't be too long. It should be pretty straightforward. Hopefully, I'm praying that these screws for the weather stripping come out a lot easier than it was for the passenger side. The passenger side, it was 2 screws, literally the last 2 screws. They just would not come. So one of them I had to drill out, and then the other one, it had finally broke loose and I was able to unscrew it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, hopefully we can get that done, you know, without no headaches, no problems, none of that. So like I said, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on, the way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. Road to 5,000 subscribers, man. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and share the channel. And like I told you, all of that stuff is free. It don't cost you nothing. It's free for you to do, and it helps me and my channel grow, which is all I'm trying to do. That way I can bring y'all more stuff. You feel me? So first thing I have to do is get this door panel off, and y'all know we will be rewrapping this. I don't know if I'm gonna put this one back on, to be honest, because we will, like I said, we will be, well, not even rewrapping it, just redoing the whole thing. We're not gonna be using the wood in the back. I'm using ABS plastic. I've read like forums and stuff of people posting online saying it's better to use the plastic than try to get some wood, and then the wood get moisture and wet, and then you feel me, they said it's better to use the ABS plastic. So that's what I got. I don't remember what size I got. I might have got 3/8 or 1/8, something like that. You know what I'm saying? I gotta look and see, but it's supposed to come in tomorrow. So that's gonna be one of the next projects, that, and then making my trunk board, because y'all know my DS18 amp is in here, and then I have my subwoofer amp that I want to use right there until I get some custom subs. So yeah, the next few projects should be the door panels, the trunk, and then starting the painting for, or paint stripping for, the center console, the dash, the column. So yeah, that's the next few steps. You feel me? So other than that though, like I said, we're finna get right into this video. I gotta take this door panel off, so I'll catch y'all in a second once I change out my battery. Alright y'all, so I'm sorry, the steering wheel in the way, ain't really much I could do. I mean, nope, it's all the way up, so it ain't really much I can do, but all I'm finna do right now is just pull off this door panel, which should come off very, very easily. Put that screw on. Actually, where's my other screw head? I'm gonna change out my screw heads. Alright, door panel should be ready to come off once I get these last 2 screws out for the, actually I don't think I have to take them, yeah, I don't have to take them off. I just gotta unplug it, which I shouldn't unplug, but I'll plug it back up once I'm finished. I'm gonna go and put the door panel back on because I need the plug to be able to test out the window motor once we finish. So now Need to go ahead and take off this little metal plate. And then we gotta get ready to drop the window. I don't know why my door is two different colors too though. One of them, but this one is gray, and then the passenger side is white. So I don't know. Okay, why is that screw not coming off? I already started to have trouble. This is crazy. Come on now, don't strip out on me. This is ridiculous. Literally just starting this project. Come on, man. This is crazy. See if the screw will fit in there. Nope, not that one. No, I don't think this one gonna fit either. Nope. No freaking way, bro. Already. These not even very important screws, and I can't even get these off. This is not a good sign. This is not a good sign at all. Literally just changing out screw heads trying to get it loose, and it's just not working. I got another screwdriver down here. It's just not working. This is crazy, bro. This is crazy. Literally not even an important screw. Let me see if I can twist it off without breaking this plate. Alright, it looked like it loosened up. I'm not putting this screw back on. Got it. I'm not putting this screw back on. I'm gonna have to get another screw. It's fine by me. It's crazy, bro. Literally just started, and it's already trying to act funny. Ridiculous, I swear. But now y'all know the process. We gotta drop the window all the way to the ground. I need to move these plugs out of the way. Come on, up out of there. Got it. Alright, got the cords out of the way. Now it's time to drop the window, which should all be 10mm sockets. Should be all 10s. One out. I need my other 10. Where did I put it? My smaller 10. There you go. I'm gonna need that as well. Alright, number 2 is out. I shouldn't have to take the bottom one off, which is what I did last time, but like I said, I shouldn't have to. Let me quit before I strip that bolt. And I know all the old weather stripping that was on here, on the outside one, I know it's all in the door, so I'm gonna try to clean it out once I finish getting this window down. I'm gonna try and clean it out. Tighten it. No, it's just hard to come off. There it goes. Hard to break loose. Like I said, I'm gonna clean out all that old weather stripping once I'm finished. Make sure I be careful too not to drop these bolts, so once I get to the end I start going slow, because I almost lost a bolt when I was on the passenger side, and it took me a minute to actually find it, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not trying to do that again. Number 2 is broken loose. I think it's like six of these bolts, I think, if I remember correctly. There's 6 of these. Number 2 out, nice and easy. You gotta be real careful. This next one, which should be back here somewhere. Can't see. There you go. I might have to take it all the way off. Yep, because it's in my way. I have to put one of these bolts back on. And I'm not gonna make y'all watch me do all of this. I'm gonna do most of it off camera. I'll finish it up probably off camera. So actually that's what I'm gonna do. Since it's getting long already, I'm gonna go ahead and drop the window down, and when I get the window down, I'm gonna come back to y'all once I'm finishing up the weather stripping. So 1 second. Alright y'all, I'm now finished. This car, it just does not want to act right, you know what I'm saying? It don't want to act right at all. But I'm finished now, so go ahead and show. It's still a little plain the windows, because like I said, the door card once need to go on, once they go on, it'll push the window and the window be straight. But here we go. Like I said, it got play in it, but once it pushes out, the window push out, then it'll be, y'all see, the weather stripping will push up and everything will be tight and sealed. So, well, actually I can try, make sure nothing in my way. I can shut the door for y'all real quick and show y'all how it's gonna be. All right, and the window, I'm doing the same thing on this side. Good thing my key out here. See, it's extra tight. I don't know why the window not going all the way up now. And I didn't take everything off like I did on the passenger side. Like this, I didn't take this off. Yeah, the window just not going all the way up. Let me see. Bring my door panel. I don't know why the window not going all the way up now. Now that I took it off the track. Because like I said, I didn't take everything off on the passenger side, because I learned from that side, you know what I'm saying? Doing that side. Try and plug it up. Alright. me see. It's all the way up. I don't know why it wouldn't shut. Let's see. This mug extra tight now, this window. Try to shut the door. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. My window just all off whack. I'm gonna have to mess around with it. This mug all off whack. But the weather stripping is on, so that's the main thing. Like, so I'm gonna have to mess around with the window. That's why I don't like these type of windows, bro, that don't have nothing going around it, bro. I don't know, bro. This window is just, well, this whole car is just tweaking out from me doing this weather stripping stuff. But other than that, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Got that done. Now I gotta figure out what the freak going on with the window and why it's doing that, because it didn't really do it like that on the passenger side. You feel me? So I really don't know what's going on. Maybe the weather stripping just need to loosen up some, but the window is just all pushed over, like completely. I don't know, man. I'm finna have to play around with it, but I also need to get this window motor done because I gotta go somewhere. So I need to figure this out fast. Other than that, man, like I said, hope y'all enjoyed. Hope y'all like the weather stripping. The car just don't want to act right when I'm trying to give it brand new stuff, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, it is what it is. I'm gonna get it figured out. Hope y'all enjoyed though. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on where y'all be notified to my drop. The car been cutting me up. I got a big old cut there, back of my finger. Car just been cutting me up, bro, and it don't want to act right. So yeah, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on where y'all be notified to my drop. Share the channel, share these videos, keep growing and elevating together. It's free to do all of that, man. Don't cost you nothing. And road to 5,000 subscribers, so make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and share the channel. Other than that, man, it's gonna be the end of this one. I'm gonna figure out this window stuff off camera once I close this video out. Love y'all, appreciate y'all, keep God first and God bless, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.